Recorder on. Those guys must be doing it. They're parking on the wrong side of the street. Hope I got a good enough view of my camera. I can take a picture. I can probably take a picture of that and blow it out and say, landscapers, wrong side of the street. Wrong side of the street. And that's what's making a noise. Fuckers couldn't wave at me, I don't know. Hear that? Bang, 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 bang. They got stand-ons and stand-on platforms banging. Won't that damage the damn platform? Smacking all. Well, this is. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he's coming back this way now. He's coming back around that way now. Must want to take a look at what I have in my trailer. Assholes. Well, recorder's still on. Peterson. Bang, 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 bang. Idiots. Driving in the middle of the road. Bang, 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 bang. I laughed my ass off for those idiots. Hey, you heard it twice, didn't you? Bang, 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 bang. Oh, Peters Landscaping. Oh, they're a professional group. Yeah, well, the guys put the mowers on the trailer and banging all the way down the street. Yeah, they don't give a shit.